Hi, welcome to another video tutorial of the WorkBee CNC router by 3DPrintronics. In this video, we shall learn how to set up the Z height while setting up a job on the WorkBee CNC router. To do this, we shall use the Z probe which is included with the machine. First, let us see how to connect the Z probe to the black box controller. The Z probe is connected to the controller next to the Z limit switch. To connect the probe, keep the connector in this orientation with these notches facing up. Insert the connector into the female socket and press till you hear a click sound. Ensure that the connector is secure. Now that we have connected the probe to the controller, we need to first test the connection to ensure safe probing. In the control software, go to the troubleshooting tab. Here you can see that the probe status is currently off. To test the probe, first connect the crocodile clip to the milling bit. Like this. Thereafter, take the touch plate and manually touch it to the milling bit. Once you do that, the status of the probe should change from off to on. Just like this. Changing of the status from off to on indicates that the probe is correctly connected. If it does not happen, you need to check the probe connections and you should not proceed ahead with probing function. We recommend that as a best practice, you carry out this testing every time you have to do a Z probe. To begin probing, ensure that the clip is connected and the probe is placed on top of the stock and directly below the milling bit. Make sure that there is no debris between the plate surface and the stock. This close-up shows the setup of the plate and the probe clip ready for probing. In the software, click on the probe tab. Select the Z touch plate option and confirm the position of the probe plate and click on this tab. Once you click on the confirm position tab, the probe tab will get activated and you will be ready to start probing. Click on the button and you will see that the Z axis is moving down to carry out the probing function. As the bit touches the plate, the Z axis will retract and a success message appears on the screen. As a best practice, follow the instructions in the message and remove the clip and the probe before clicking OK to proceed ahead. Now, once you remove the clip and the plate, press on the OK button. After successful probing, the Z height is set to 25 millimeters. You can see that here in the software. Now, if we go to Z0 by selecting it from this tab, the bit should rest on top of the surface. This close-up shows that, like this. Lift up the Z-axis to a safe height. So in this video, we have learned how to set up the Z height while setting up a job on the WorkBee CNC router using the Z probe. Some best practices are Always test the probe connectivity before probing. Set Z height from top of the stock and remove the probe clip and the touch plate from work area after successful probing.